What's up, YouTube? YouTube, checking back in with your boy. Today, we're going to hit y'all with this review. It is still a fairly new product. It's not brand spanking new, but it is fairly new to the market. Some people are still curious about it, and that is the Bose Soundwears, companion Soundwears. Now, I actually got a chance to try them out and use them before they were actually released, so that's pretty cool. I just want to be clear, I am not being paid at all by anyone, no retailer or Bose. This is just a review on a product that I purchased, okay? Bose Soundwear, companion Soundwears. Unboxing, brand new, sealed unboxing. So let's bring this in right here. Let's just get with this plastic right quick. Ta-da! Ooh. So I'm assuming here you're going to have the paperwork, instruction manual. You're going to have a USB cable, a micro USB cable. This micro USB cable is for charging. Okay, and here they are. So, a couple of cool things about it. It's very durable. I remember that when we first saw it. Cover comes off. Wash it in the sink. A little bit of detergent. Charger right there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Micro USB input right there. And like I said, the cover comes right off. And the cool thing about these is that these can go right over your neck. So if you're gaming, cooking, whatever, on a computer, you're at work, you're driving, this is a new way of listening to music, right? Headphones go over your ears. They kind of impede you. You don't really know what's going on. Somebody can be yelling, hey, watch out. You don't know. Next thing you know, a grand piano lands on you and squashes you and you die. Now they got to explain that to your family. But these don't go over your ears, so they allow you to still be, I don't know if the word would be coherent, but you know what's going on. You can have a full conversation. The technology really is cool because I can be listening to music. You won't be able to hear it, but I will. I'll be able to listen to the music, but they won't. You can also answer calls with it, so that's pretty cool. So let's go through the whole setup real quick. I won't be able to play some music for copyright issues, obviously, but I'll be able to sync it to my phone and answer some phone calls. So, let's check it out. So let's power it on because I'm assuming it does come with some. Well, it was on, excuse me.
Battery 40%.
Okay, it comes with ready to connect 40%. Download the Bose Connect app. Press and hold this down.
Ready to connect.
It says ready to connect. I'm going to grab trusty iPhone. Yeah. Ooh, wait a minute. Did y'all see that? Ooh, okay, never mind. Y'all can't see that text I had up just now. All right, so ready to connect. Let's go. Let's see. Hopefully you can see this. I don't know why it looks kind of crazy. I don't know if y'all can see this, to be honest with y'all, but let's see what happens. Right there, Bose Soundwear. Let's hear it.
Connected to iPhone.
Connected to iPhone, so we're connected. It's that easy. All right, so let's see. Let me see. I'm going to try to find some of my music here. Buttons right here. You got your Bluetooth. You press that, hold that down to sync. Power button right here. On this side, you have your volume up and down. That's down. This is up. All right. So put the camera there. And I'm rocking a GoPro Hero 4, just so you guys know. See if you can hear anything. I'm not sure if you can, but I'm going to take it off and listen to this. Again, nothing. So it's pretty cool. Now, let's try the phone option, right? And I gotta say, it does feel very comfortable around the neck. You almost forget that you have anything around your neck. So I will say that.
Hello.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I'm just reviewing these Soundwears, and I'm making a phone call. So I just wanted to see how clear you can hear me.
Clear as a bell.
Clear as a bell. How can you say something? Let me see if I put the volume up, because the volume is down on it. Okay, so the volume is a little bit higher now. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Did you subscribe to Blvd Blvd TV right now?
I sure did.
Okay. You like to subscribe?
Check 1 2.
Okay.
Microphone check.
Okay. All right. We good. All right. Thank you.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
I also forgot to mention the most important thing, right? Battery life. How long does it last? They last 12 hours. So they play, I'm assuming, nonstop. That's what's advertised on the website. A 15-minute charge will last you 3 hours. Again, that's what the website says. I will correct myself. The button here on the side. See those 3 buttons right there? Volume up, volume down, and that middle button I thought was Google Assist. I stand corrected. That's actually for Siri or play and pause button when you're listening to music. And how we can test that is I'm still connected to the music, and again, I'm not using anyone else's music but my own music. I own the rights to this music, so it's all gravy, baby. So see this little button right here? Let me put that down. That's kind of loud. All right, so you see the button right here in the middle. Check it out. Bam. Saw that? Now if I press this little button, that play button to go. Watch, I'm going to play it right now. See that? So tell me what you want to do about that. Do about that. I know I need you to have a amazing product by Bose. Very cool. Again, home run. Peace.